I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R230 server, and in this video we're going to focus on supported operating systems, including installing Windows Server. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R230 server. Do us a favor if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This video will be specifically dedicated to supported operating systems, and what we're going to do as a whole is we'll cover all the different supported operating systems, or at least the bulk of them. If you have some different ones you like, hey, drop a comment down below. And then we're going to show you how to create a bootable USB. Then we're going to show you how to download Windows Server 2019, and then we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install it into your server. So let's hop into the good stuff. Let's go over the compatible operating systems. Well, first things first, let's go over Windows Server. You're going to have 2012, 2016, and 2019. I wouldn't be surprised if 2022 works as well. We haven't played around with it to see, but 2019 is technically the official cap out. If you've gotten 2022 to work, hey, again, drop a comment down below, let the other users know. And then, of course, if you like Linux, which I'm a big fan of, you can get Red Hat, you can get SUSE, you can get a number of different Linuxes, but let's go ahead and just throw up some charts right now to show you some of the compatible operating systems. And again, this is not all-inclusive, so if there's something else, drop a comment down below.
Hey, it's Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2019 locally onto your server. All you will need is a server with enough storage space available for the installation. You can do this with an external USB or a SAS or SATA drive plugged into the backplane. There are a lot of ways to do this, and this process does not require an active network connection on the server. First thing we're going to do is go to this link here and download the English 64-bit edition ISO file. Now we need to create a bootable USB using a program called Rufus. So just go into your web browser and search Rufus, then scroll down and download the program and run it once it's downloaded. Plug in the USB to the computer that you just downloaded Rufus on, and under Device in Rufus, make sure that the USB that you plugged in is selected. If you only have one USB plugged in, it will select it by default. Leave everything under the default settings, then click the Select button and choose the ISO file that we just downloaded in the previous steps. Click Start to begin creating the installation USB drive. Now all we need to do is take this USB and plug it into our server. Once our server is booted up, we're going to press F11 to get into the boot manager. Once we are in the boot manager, we will scroll down and select One-Shot UEFI boot menu. Once we are in the boot menu, go ahead and select the USB drive that you plugged in. Doing this will automatically start the Windows Server install for the server. So we are just going to wait a bit for it to load and begin the process to download the OS. Once the initial installation is complete, we will then get a pop-up window that asks language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. For us, we went with English for language and time and currency. Then for keyboard or input method, we chose US. After you select your preferences, go ahead and click Next to continue. Then click Install Now. After a minute or two, another window will pop up that asks us to select the operating system we want to install. For this server, we are going to select Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience and click Next. Then you will see in this next window the license terms and notices, and you'll want to click Accept and then hit Next. Then this window is asking for which type of installation do we want. We're going to go ahead and select Custom. This window will ask where we want to install the OS. We will select Disk 0 for our server. After you click Next, the installation will begin running, and it will take some time, but at the end, you will then have your Windows Server OS installed into your Dell PowerEdge server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash the subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom-built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Gigabyte, AMD, we do it all, both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.